Hi guys, I'm going to walk you through the macros calculator on Atlas. It's completely free, there's no sign up forms, you get instant insights when you hit calculate. It's accurate, it's completely privacy friendly. Okay, let's jump straight in. Okay, let's select the system. I'm going to go with metric, sex, male, age 30, I'm 80 kilograms, body fat 16%, height 175. How active is your day job? So I'm going to go with sedentary. How much exercise you do? No exercise. What's your goal? I want to lose fat. And then hit calculate. Then you come to the results screen. So at the top you'll get all the information that you've entered. So it says you're a 30-year-old male who is 175 centimeters tall, weighs 80 kg, your body fat is 16%, and your goal is to lose body fat. Okay, you can edit any of that information by clicking the edit button and then clicking recalculate. Okay, if we scroll down to see the insights, okay, at the top here we have calories. We have three options: gain, maintain, and lose. For gain, that's plus 500 calories on your maintenance. Maintain is your maintenance calories, and lose is minus 500 calories on your maintenance. Go to your macros. Again, this is the same logic with gain, maintain, and lose, the three options at the top, and that gives you your macros for those three options. Okay, if we scroll down further, you can see your TDE, which is your total daily energy expenditure for your daily and weekly calorific needs. BMR, your basal metabolic rate. Your RMR, which is your resting metabolic rate. Your BMI, which is your body mass index score. And your ideal weight, and that is a combination of 4 different formulas which give you an average ideal body weight. MMP, which is your max muscular potential, and that's a model by Martin Birken, which gives you an accurate estimate of your MMP at a body fat of 5%. Lastly, you have your body composition, which is your lean mass, lean percentage, fat mass, and fat percentage. Okay, I hope that was useful. As always, subscribe and hit that like button. Cheers.